Hey everyone, how's everyone doing? It's been a great morning. It's Monday the 9th of September, and we're doing a little bit of a trade recap on Nasdaq for the opening session. And first off, we're looking at the RTH gap. This is being more prevalent within my trading. That's making me click. I'm going to be utilizing this a lot more because I can see where so much better trades are formed around this area, because it's giving you an opportunity to see where a strong probability is of price wanting to move down to these levels. So my target originally was the swing low that was created at the opening bell. I moved my stop loss above the inverted busy there and at the low end of the inversion weekly fair value gap. I'm pointing out the breaker just so it would be a barrier for price not to trade below. When I was entering on this, I was wanting to get a fill at the fair value gap, but price was just wicking back and forth, and so the best premium I got was that up close candle. And if price was going to come back above that SIBI, I was going to add more to the position. I just figured since we're already so high into a premium that it's going to escape away from that SIBI, because it's going to want to be quickly to run sell side liquidity to anybody who was longing in this premium. Whenever I'm in a trade, I like to run standard deviations to get an idea of where price is going to be shooting towards. In a trade like this, since I've seen it over and over again, I become more confident in knowing that I have to let this trade run. I cannot move my stop loss. Anytime I'm moving, my stop loss would be closer to my entry. I'm not ever moving it away. When I define my risk, I accept it. I try to do my best to remove myself from my mouse, and I just let it play out. This stuff repeats over and over again. I'm anticipating a fair value gap to form in a SIBI. I'm looking at how price has gone very wicky. I see that as a balanced price range with all these wicks right here in this area that price would want to move away from and have no interest coming back into that breaker. From start to finish, this trade took about 20 minutes or so, and that's some of the best lower resistance liquidity runs I look forward to. Right here, we just pierced through the opening price. We still have consequent encroachment of the RTH gap. I moved my stop loss to break even, and I just let it run. Another good target would be midnight opening price. I was just so comfortable with taking this 75% level of the gap because of how much of a big run I got. Over 300 ticks is It's a lot with one mini contract. It's about, I don't know, about $1,600. This ain't no scout. This is about an 85 handle run. And this is what I was kind of looking forward, is us creating this SIBI here. This is just allowing me to understand that this isn't bearish order flow. This isn't a sell program. And we're very heavy. I was wanting to see some kind of institutional order entry drill here, just so we could continue to send price lower and refill in half of this gap here. I was able to catch my entry at a really nice premium price. Nasdaq did me dirty right here. I was too precise. By one tick, it didn't get my target profit filled. And when this happened and occurred, my psychological state was wanting to, right here, close the position. But from my experience of doing this for so long, you have to let go. You have to let go of that impulsive nature of wanting to just get out. Because if I would have just been impulsive and got out, I'd been at 244 ticks instead of a 329. That's pretty substantial of leaving out so much that you could get out of the trade. So I moved my stop loss above a swing high there, above that SIBI, which is a great place to place it. It's covering cost and a little bit more money. A lot of back and forth. Just watching up close candles to act as resistance and the long wick there to see if it will get to consequent encroachment and just drop. I really wanted this trade to pan out before the 10:50 to 11 lunch hour, because that's usually when price most of the time will retrace. Hope y'all find this video insightful. See y'all again.